Hey, so welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to make a screen blur system so that whenever we press tab, there is a screen blur on our screen and then it goes away. So to do that, let's create a new widget and name this blur. Now open it. Now search for screen blur or just background blur like this. But you see we don't have any canvas panel, so we need to go and wrap this with a canvas panel so that we can cover additional items. And just go to anchors, press Ctrl Shift together and press on this button. This will cover the whole screen. And then you need to set the blur strength, that means how much you want to blur it, to 5. You can blur it more, blur it less, but 5 is the basic number we think of. Now go to your default pawn class, create a key for tab. We can't find anything here. There must be a key. Yeah, keyboard events, tab. And on tab pressed, let's do one thing. Create widget, search for blur, right click, promote to a variable and name this blur screen widget. And on tab, make a is valid node. This will check whether this variable is valid or not. So if we don't have this, if we don't have the screen, that means this variable is not valid and we need to create a screen. So on is valid part, this will go. And if this is not valid, that means we don't have a screen. We did the wrong. If this variable is not valid, that means we don't have the screen and we need to create the screen. So let's drag this up here. And whenever we create it, we need to add it to the viewport of the player. And now if this variable is valid, we need to make sure that we remove it from the parent and then set the variable to none so that we know that we can next time check and create another blur screen. Let's go and test it out. Now here we have a running game. We press tab. You see there is a screen blur. I again press tab, again goes, and I can do that infinite. Now that the blur looks good, but a mixture of a color would look better. So let's search for image and attach it to the background color. Now go to brush and tint, search for black. A light black would work. And remember to decrease this A value. This is the opacity to 0.3. Compile and save. Let's play and check. Tab. This works super cool. And same way you can do that with any color you want. Let's do red. And we now have a red background blur. So that is it for this video. Meet you in the next one. Thanks for watching.